Now, I believe this is the first meeting of the Emergency Council for many years where we're actively dealing with a challenge to the island rather than preparing for one. From 8 o'clock this morning, everyone in Jersey must stay at home. This isn't going to be easy, and this will not be over by tomorrow. Stay home and save lives.
As soon as we get those positive results, I assign them to a member of the contact tracing team and then carry out an in-depth interview with that individual, really focusing on first of all, their health and welfare, so that we can see how the infection is affecting individuals in Jersey.
We're doing everything we can to support businesses, and the measures we're taking today will provide £180 million worth of support for our island's economy.
Connect Me was set up during COVID-19 to help islanders not feel quite so isolated, especially when it comes to mental health.
So the hub also responds to safeguarding concerns with the aim of promoting the safety and well-being of children and young people across the island.
I'm one of the helpers, to do a bit of charity on delivering food for people who need a little bit of help.
With the kitchen organising about 180 meals today, so these will all go out.
With this is home time, this is for you guys.
Today we're going to go through a 30-minute Pilates practice.
Tommy here from Samphire in Jersey.
Today we're going to make a macrame necklace holder.
It's shown what we can achieve together.
Work's already begun on building a new field hospital for Jersey.
I may welcome you here this afternoon to this small ceremony to open the Jersey General Hospital Nightingale Wing.
It was actually the can-do attitude of all our team. When you were given deadlines that were totally impossible, but we actually made it happen, which was amazing, and it was brilliant.
I'm here with some of the new equipment that's recently been delivered to Jersey. Here we have a non-invasive ventilator. If these devices are not providing enough support for the patient, we can move to an invasive ventilator such as this one here.
Today we see the beginning of the relaxation of travel restrictions, many islanders back home. Many friends and relatives will be coming over to catch up, and some new visitors will be arriving in Jersey once again.
We are now in receipt of a new laboratory testing facility for COVID. It will help with one of the key responses to COVID, which is testing and tracing. This is a tremendous step forward in our response to COVID.
Our priority as school leaders, as teachers, is the well-being and the education of your children.
I'm sure you are all eagerly awaiting an update on the government scheme to give you all £100 that you can spend locally to support businesses in St Helier who need you now more than ever.
We're pleased to be able to announce that this week we're launching the Jersey COVID Alert app. To download the app, help protect your family, your colleagues and your community.
Our ambulance staff particularly have been at the front line of the health response to the crisis. It's important that you have the opportunity to be tested and confirm whether you currently have the virus or not.
Pursuing public health measures to reduce the risk of transmission becomes even more important in winter.
It's still very important to maintain good hand hygiene, to keep our distance from each other, to wear face coverings if they are able to do so.
Here at Waitrose and Partners, we're fully supporting the government with their policy of wearing face masks within the branch.
The vaccination programme so far has been a real team effort, and I'd like to extend my thanks to the staff at Fort Regent who have been really helpful, to the Jersey Field Squadron for once again stepping forward and assisting with our initial build, and to other colleagues in the public service who have been forward leading in their support to this vital programme for the island.
I've just had mine this morning. It's really quick and easy, very efficient and very safe to have. I'd encourage you to have yours.
And I will be getting it as soon as possible so that we can all get back to business.
When eligible, I will be getting the COVID-19 vaccine.
When it's my turn to have the vaccination, I'm going to have it.
To protect ourselves and to protect our community.
Hello, my name is Gary Burgess. Like many people in Jersey, I'm classified as a high-risk islander, and it's why I'll be getting my COVID-19 jab.
We have now launched the rollout for the regular rapid COVID-19 testing.
It's pain-free, it's quick, and it's a really good reassurance to one another as adults, younger community, that we're safe and we're fit for work.
Thank you so much for everybody's efforts and work to ensure that town is a safe place to return to.
Welcome to Jersey Crab Shack. We're just going to take you through some of our COVID safety procedures that will be in place when we reopen on Monday.
Sitting behind me in the studio here is a panel of experts who are leading Jersey's drive to get the population vaccinated.
You know, it's not like a normal working relationship. Everybody looks after each other.
They're all so supportive and so lovely, and it's been so amazing to be part of like one of the most foremost testing centres in the world.
But I've loved every minute of it. It's been exhausting, it's been emotional.
And your work colleagues are more than just colleagues, they're more than friends, it's like a big family.
I'd like to thank my team for all the excellent work that they're doing for what is a really good cause.
I'd like to extend a huge thank you for all the team who have tirelessly been working.
That is, you know, a real privilege is the only way I'd describe it.
We're so very grateful. Thank you.
The amount of humanity that's come out of this has been lovely.